First trophy goes to the winning here, baby. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Dan, you better do this.
Dan versus Food.
Come on, Dan, you better get this, bro. Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan. Dan is beat on that one. Go. Let's go, Dan.
The Warrior, the Mexican Warrior, making a run. Dan versus Food.
Dan, you got this. Come on, let's go.
Go, 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 go. Let's make some noise, people. Adrian is making love to his chicken wings. So Rodriguez,
Pick up the pace, Dan. Come on, man. No breaks. The little kid on the end's beating you, Dan. You gotta pick it up. You gotta beat by the Mexican Warrior.
Connecticut versus New York, winning each other. Versus Food. Everyone give him a hand. He is the champion. Thank you for playing, guys.
Dan, now that you won, where are you going next? I'm going to Blue to work. Yeah.